The albatross is a large seabird known for its impressive wingspan, which can reach up to 12 feet, the largest of any bird. It spends most of its life flying over oceans, using dynamic soaring to glide effortlessly for hours without flapping. Albatrosses feed on fish, squid, and crustaceans, often snatching prey from the sea surface. They breed on remote islands, forming long-term monogamous pairs and raising one chick at a time. Their ability to travel thousands of miles across seas makes them true masters of long-distance flight. Unfortunately, many species are threatened by fishing lines and habitat loss.